Phrase 1. Up in arms. Meaning. 1. Fig, in armed rebellion. Example. I am really up in arms about what happened. Wally was up in arms about the bill for the broken window. The entire population is up in arms. Phrase 2. Expand into something. Meaning. To grow into something. To enlarge into something. Example. In no time at all, the vegetable garden had expanded into a small farm. The little problem expanded into a big one in no time at all. Phrase 3. Zonked out. Meaning. 1. SL drug intoxicated. Example. Jed was almost zonked out to unconsciousness. 2. SL exhausted, asleep. She was totally zonked out by the time I got home. She's too zonked to drive. Phrase 4. You're the doctor. Meaning. You are in a position to tell me what to do. I yield to you and your knowledge of this matter. Example. Teacher, you'd better study the first 2 chapters more thoroughly. Bob, you're the doctor. Bill, eat your dinner, then you'll feel more like playing ball. Get some energy. Tom, okay, you're the doctor. Phrase 5. Draw up. Meaning. To pull up more tightly. To shrink up. Example. This cheap underwear has a tendency to draw up. When they got wet, his trunks drew up and became very tight. Phrase 6. Duke it out. Meaning. To have a fist fight. Example. John told George to meet him in the alley so they could duke it out. Phrase 7. I've got to hit the road. Meaning. A phrase indicating that it is time that one departed. Have to shove off in time to run for other possible variations. Example. Bill, I've got to hit the road. I have a long day tomorrow. Mary, okay, good night. Bill, bye, Mary. Henry, look at the clock. It's past midnight. It's time to hit the road. Andy, yeah. We've got to go. Sue, okay, good night. Phrase 8. Dwell upon something. Meaning. To live on something, such as the planet Earth. Example. Many creatures dwell on this earth. This is the largest turtle that dwells upon the earth. Phrase 9. Keep on trying. Meaning. A phrase encouraging continued efforts. Example. Sue, I really want that promotion, but I keep getting turned down. Bill, don't quit trying. You'll get it. Jane, I think I'm doing better in calculus. John, keep trying. You can get an A. Phrase 10. Come under the hammer. Meaning. For something, to be auctioned. Example. The house at the corner is coming under the hammer next week. The repossessed farm will go under the hammer.